Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about math anxiety. We're going to be talking about what math anxiety is, and it basically means the fear of doing math. And I'm not joking. Yeah, 20% of people have this anxiety. So maybe one day you're just sitting down trying to do some math problems, and all of a sudden you're starting feeling anxious, okay? Starting to feel a bit anxious. Your heart starts beating a lot more. You feel breathless. You have sweaty palms, and you start having a crunching belly, okay? And because of this, you get like super anxiety because you don't know what to do. And eventually, after these stuff, you would mainly just completely stop doing math at all. So that way, you don't have to get this anxious feeling ever again. Simple, right? Well, this is all due to anxious thoughts, your brain being jumbled up by anxious thoughts. But if you don't understand what I mean, let's go a bit closer, shall we? So here is you again, okay? And let's take to your brain. So there's a part of your brain called working memory. Your brain has that, okay? And working memory is like this memory space which is best for solving problems. And when we do math, working memory is used a lot in this, okay? But for people who have math anxiety, on the other hand, well, this is mostly the reason why, is that most of this is covered up, most of the space of working memory is covered up by anxious thoughts. Like, what if I don't do it? What if I can't do it? What if I fail? Then I get beings, something like that. Okay? And then after that, you get like these more anxious thoughts, and again the following symptoms happen. But the reason for this, well, it's still unknown on what the reason for it is. But here there are a few leading causes thanks to a few theories. Okay, so one of the leading causes is due to bad past experiences with math or related to math, such as having strict math teachers that always complain about your very stupid bad math skills, okay? And bad parents that would, let's say you get a bad grade because you accidentally did some problem or something, I don't know, you somehow get some bad grade, and they basically scold you a lot for it, right? And if they negatively say any way whatsoever, such as, well, they say anything, well, negative, and they say that math seems more harder, the child will think, oh, math is more harder, this is too bad, and I don't want to get more of this, right? So that's one other causes, most of one of the leading causes to math anxiety. But there's also another thing. It can worsen over time as well, such as pressure tests. Like, imagine having to solve a tricky math problem under a time limit, and you still have to do more. You're gonna get stressed out fully, right? Okay? And then you'll have the worsened thoughts of mistakes. Like, what if I don't do it? Or what if I do something bad or get one of the things wrong? Oh no, no, what should I do? Which can increase stress, okay? But, but, since most of math anxiety has to do with our mind, that means we can control it and we can stop it, okay? Some good things that we can do is such as practice math. So try practicing it just for a few days, practice on what's good or bad, and it could help lower anxiety down. So at least you know what you're doing, okay? And it's also good to write down your anxious thoughts before tests, okay? Which can also reduce math anxiety. And then while you're going to your school or something like that, always walk and all your muscles relaxed, okay? And feel jolly. And when you're at the test, if you ever feel a bit nervous or anxious, always take in deep breaths or any calming activity that you can do so that way you can keep yourself calm and do it. And hopefully you can do it. Because the thing is, people with math anxiety think they're bad, they won't do it. They have a decent shot, they have a pretty fair chance on actually being smart people, such as even smart people have gone through this, such as Albert Einstein, for example. He had to solve some tricky math problems himself, okay? So don't always doubt yourself, okay, people? And that's basically what math anxiety is, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!